Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today's video will be showing you how to remove the rear door card on a BMW E84 X1. So it's pretty much the same process as the front door card. So pretty much you will have to remove a couple of things first to access these T20 screws. So you will need a T20 screwdriver, and pretty much you'll need a clip removal tool here. So clip removal tool, having a drill helps, but you don't need one. You will also need this T20 socket here, and you will need a little extender piece to go in, probably go inside the door if it's much the same as the front door card. So pretty much you have to remove this section here that clips out, similar to like a bumper bar, and you have this trim up the top here. You need to get your clip, pop it up in the end if you can. Just pop it. It can be a bit hard to get in. You get it in there like that, pop that out. And then once you've popped it out, you can use your fingers and that'll just come out along with the stickers. So this trim is now off. Better not damage that. I can sell that. You now have two screws here, T20s, one here, one here. So screwdriver, pop this out. Pretty long screws. Over there. One here. Telling you guys, get a drill. This just makes life 1,000 times easier. Okay, so now we are at the second part. You want to get this here. Try to pry this up in here. If you can, try to pry it up the top. Okay, I found the easiest way to get this undone is just get this up in here. You got that in there, and you just need to pop it out. So, and then you can grab it. This one has been more of a pain in the ass than the front one, I'll tell you that much. I'm coming back. Okay, so found that pop it up underneath first, pop it out, then grab another, and then sort of slide it up and pop it out that way. Now the easy part, grab it, pull it, and that's out. These are the screws that hold it in. This little fucker right here. And then you got the similar ones that just sort of just push in, same way as a bumper. Okay, real quick, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. Drill T20, get it up in there. This one can be awkward. Okay, got it. Okay, 4 screws are undone. Okay, these are done, all undone. You're probably going to drop a few. Okay, so now the part that you will most likely break, your door clips. You will very likely break your door clips. So start up the top, and you can hear them pop out. You'll know when you're close. Keep spare door clips. Do yourself a favor. Yeah, so let's go ahead. I'll be back. I need to pull this out, but pretty much fingers in, pop it. You'll be going all around the door These are the only screws you need to remove. I can promise you that. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to probably grab my handle and grab up around here, or just pry my fingers maybe. There we go. There's your door card, pretty much removed. Pop it up there. Sounds worse than it is, but trust me, it's not that bad. There we go. There goes my screws. Fun. Need to remove this piece here as well. Just pops off. You've got another door clip that should just pop out. So, yep. Now you got another clip here, a LED light, and then you've got more wiring that's held on by screws. I don't know why they want to hold that on like that. I think that's unnecessary. Just pop it out. It's just one of these. It can go back in. Chuck that to the side. That's how you remove your door card, rear door card, on a BMW E84 X1. So this same goes for the front door cards and the rear door cards. I am currently wrecking this car, which means that I'll be making a lot more videos. So if you guys need help to remove things or need instructionals, best let me know in the comments while I am doing this. I'll try to make as many videos as I can to help the community, because there's just not that many X1 videos I find on the internet for doing all this stuff. So yeah, hopefully I can fill a bit of a gap there. Yeah, this is the car. So let me know if you guys need any other instructionals on how to remove all this stuff. So yeah, I'll be making a playlist. So yeah, anyways, thanks for watching. See you guys in another video. All right, peace out.